Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set background blur in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture and search for background. Now here you can see the option of blur. Press on this. Now set your picture. From here you can blur your background. You can blur your background as you want. Then press on this sign option. That's it. So this is how to set background blur in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.